Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a rancilio silvia espresso machine. Now this machine was here because it was tripping the breaker when it was started to heat, and that means that usually that the heating element needs to be replaced, and definitely confirm it by just unplugging it and letting the machine run for a while. And after replacing the heating element, the machine now is working perfectly fine. So let's test it out. It's starting with one espresso. Unfortunately, I got the grind way too coarse for this machine, and you can see it's pouring a little bit too fast in there. And it's barely gonna have any crema since the grind was way too coarse for this machine, or you just needed a little more coffee. Right? Perfectly fine. And now for the steamer, we're just gonna let it build some pressure in there. Okay, you should have a little bit of pressure by now. Not a lot, it takes a while, especially for the single boiler machine like this one. It takes a little bit while to put some pressure in there. As you can see, now it's starting to build up some pressure, and it's just definitely steam. You see it working, heating up properly, and not tripping the breaker. Okay, thank you for preparing with Canning Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.